So after completion of nomenclature of cyanides and isocyanides, so next one is preparation methods of cyanides. Preparation methods of cyanides. So first one is cyanides are prepared from alkyl halides. Cyanides are prepared from alkyl halides. So alkyl is R, X is a halogen. So then R is generally it is a methyl or ethyl, methyl, ethyl, propyl like that. So wherein X equal to fluorine, chlorine, bromine and what is iodine. These are the halogens. So then alkyl halides. So then RX, alkyl halide react with potassium cyanide. What is potassium cyanide? KCN, potassium cyanide. In the presence of alcohol at 100 degrees centigrade temperature. So now alkyl combines with cyanide. So then it is RCN, alkyl cyanide. So then K combines with X, it is KX. What is KX? So now for example, let us consider CH3 in the place of R. If you take methyl group, that is CH3, in the place of X is Br. Methyl bromide plus KCN, potassium cyanide. Same conditions, alcohol, and it is heated at 100 degrees centigrade temperature. So now methyl group combines with cyano group. So then it is CH3CN plus potassium combines with Br, it is KBr, potassium bromide. So then CH3CN is the cyanide. So it is methyl cyanide. That is a methyl cyanide. Okay, so it is the preparation of methyl cyanide. So simply alkyl halides react with potassium cyanide in the presence of alcohol at 100 degrees centigrade temperature. It gives corresponding cyanides. So now second one. Cyanides are prepared from acid amides. What is acid amides? Generally, NH2 is the amine. It is a functional group of amine. So now if you C double bond O is the amide. What is a amide? So then it is RC double bond O NH2 is the acid amide group. So now acid amide group involved in dehydration. Dehydration means removal of water. Hydration means addition of water. Dehydration means removal of water. In the presence of phosphorus pentoxide P2O5. So then RCONH2. It is the acid amides minus H2O. Dehydration. What is it? Is the dehydration. So now it gives what is a RCN. What is a RCN? For example, CH3, CH2, C double bond O, NH2. So it is ethanamide. What is a ethanamide? In the presence of P2O5 minus H2O, then it gives CH3, CH2, what is a CN? CH3, CH2, CN. So it is the one of the cyanide. So it is ethyl cyanide. So it is the ethyl cyanide. What is ethyl cyanide? C2H5Cn or CH3CH2Cn. So next third one is cyanides are prepared from oximes. What is oximes? So it is the representation of oximes. CH double bond NOH. Oximes. So now oximes RCHNOH. So then removal of water. It is also what is dehydration in the presence of what is in the presence of phosphorus pentoxide. So then it gives alkyl what is cyanide. What is alkyl cyanides? Okay. So now, for example, let us consider CH3 and CH double bond. It is NOH. Now, in the presence of P2O5, so then minus H2O. What is minus H2O? So then minus H2O. Then remaining is what is CH3. So it is CH3. It is CN. CH3. It is C. It is N. So OH combines with H, then it is H2. So it is the methyl cyanide. What is a methyl cyanide? So methyl cyanide is one of the cyanide group. So cyanides are prepared from alkyl halides, acid amides, and also oximes. So now fourth preparation method is preparation of cyanides from ammonium carboxylates. What is ammonium carboxylates? Wherein NH4 is the ammonium. So CH3COO minus is carboxylate ion. Actually, it is ionized into RCOO minus plus NH4 plus RCOO minus plus NH4 plus. So it is the carboxylate ion. It is the ammonium. So preparation of cyanides from ammonium carboxylates. So now ammonium carboxylates dehydration, same reaction. Dehydration means removal of water. In the presence of phosphorus pentoxide, then it gives what is alkyl cyanides. So now, for example, let us consider what is ammonium acetate. So in the place of R, let us consider methyl group CH3 COO. It is NH4. So now in the presence of P2O5 phosphorus pentoxide minus H2O. What is minus H2O? So then CH3 it is C, it is N. So then what is CH3 CN? Methyl cyanide. And 4 hydrogens, 2 oxygens, minus 2 H2O. So now the obtained cyanide is methyl cyanide. So cyanides are prepared from ammonium carboxylates. So ammonium carboxylates general representation RCOO So these are ionized into RCOO minus plus NH4 plus. So then RCOO minus is the carboxylate. What is a carboxylate ion? It is the carboxylate ion. So now next preparation method of cyanides from Grignard reagent. What is Grignard reagent? So what is the representation of Grignard reagent to RMgX, wherein alkyl magnesium halide. Alkyl magnesium halide. So now it is the alkyl magnesium halide react with cyanogen chloride. Actually it is the ClCN. ClCN is the cyanogen chloride. Cyanogen chloride. So now alkyl group is combines with what is Cn, then it gives RCN. Remaining is MgCl plus Cl, MgCl2. It is the cyanide group. What is a cyanide group? For example, in the place of what is alkyl group CH3, CH2, Mg and Cl, ethyl magnesium chloride. What is ethyl magnesium chloride plus Cl, it is Cn, cyanogen chloride. So then it gives CH3, CH2, Cn plus what is MgCl2. So then CH3, CH2, Cn is the ethyl cyanide. It is one of the cyanide. So these are the preparation methods of cyanides. What are cyanides? Are prepared from alkyl halides, from acid amides, from oximes, from ammonium carboxylates, from Grignard reagent. So next one is properties of the cyanides. What are properties of the cyanides? Actually, in physical properties of the cyanides are, actually cyanides are the neutral substances with pleasant odor. What is with pleasant order? So cyanides are neutral substances with pleasant odor. So then cyanides are soluble in water and organic solvents. So organic solvents means water, benzene, ether, okay, esters like that. So these are all the organic solvents. So cyanides are soluble in water and organic solvents. So now cyanides form the carboxylic acids. Cyanides form the carboxylic acids in the presence of acidified hydrolysis. What is acidified hydrolysis? It is the chemical property of the cyanides. So now wherein actually RCN is alkyl cyanide. In the presence of water hydrolysis, H plus is acid mineral. So then it is R, C plus O, CO. It is N plus H2, NH2. Okay, RCONH2. So RCONH2 is the amides. So then hydrolysis of cyanides, it gives the amides. So then it gives what is amides. So then amides on hydrolysis in the presence of acid mineral. So then it is RCO, one oxygen and one hydrogen. RCOOH. So then remaining H, and it is NH2. So then NH3, it is plus. It is ammonium. So now RCOOH is the carboxylic acid. For example, in the place of R, let us consider if you take what is CH3. CH3COOH is the acetic acid. It is one of the carboxylic acid. Or in the place of R, if you take C6H5COOH, it is the benzoic acid. So now next reaction is Stephen reaction. It is important reaction. What is Stephen reaction? Alkyl cyanides gives the primary amides in the presence of reducing agent lithium aluminum hydride or H2, Ni, nickel, sodium, Na, ethyl alcohol, remaining reagents. It gives the primary amines. So same as alkyl cyanides converted into what is aldehydes. Alkyl cyanides are converted into what is ketones. Alkyl cyanides are converted into esters in the presence of SnCl2 and HCl.